Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwilly.com, and today I want to show you how to make a cute little package. We're going to be doing a different one, but this is the one that I show on my Facebook Live. And I do one every Thursday on my Facebook page, so be sure to check that on the description. You can see how to like my page. But anyway, every Thursday 7 p.m. I do 3 projects, and in this one I did that one. I create this other one, and also this little treat box, which I think they all are really nice. Now on that Facebook Live, I focus on the Nothing Sweeter bundle, which is the one that has the Nothing Sweeter stamp set, as well as the Sweetly Stitched Frameless, which is this one. And what I love about this one is that it does a lot of the stitching. So you die cut and you get the stitches along. You can see it better here. But today I wanted to do the same, but now using glimmer paper. So let me just tell you, the design series paper that I'm using is the Dashing Along. Yeah, the Dashing Along design series paper. And if you remember, this one was on a special back, I think, in September. But anyway, it's back, so you can only see it online. It's not on any of our catalogs, and it came back when when one of our design series papers retired sooner than what we expected. So this one has 4 sheets of each of the different designs, and here is one design, you can see it, and then the other one. It really is gorgeous paper, and what is cool is that it has 4 of each, so you can make multiples of this. So I thought this would be great for all my t-shirt gifts. So what I've done here is I have a piece of design series paper, and you can see it here. It is 6 by 6. I have 2 pieces. I have 2 pieces of the same design series paper, and these ones are 3 by 3. And then I have already die cut these little guys, right? So I have a circle and crumb cake out of the Stitch Shapes Frameless, and it's a great set because you get circles, ovals, and squares. Then I have already die cut, like I said, the 3 as well as the heart. And then there's also a die that has, let me just show you real quick here, so you can see them, that have little stars. And so this one is all coming from the Sweetly Stitched. So you can see here the stars, the 3 as well as the heart. So anyway, so I have those to decorate our bag, and let's just get started. So the thing with this one is, as you can see, you pretty much see more of the inside than the outside. So you have to pick the side that you like the most, and in this case I think I like this one the most. Because that's the one that's going to show more. So I'm going to go ahead and then do point to point. And it's better if you use your bone folder. And of course I have it here, mine. Give me 1 second here. Goodness gracious, here it is. Alright. So I'm going to be doing point to point. And in principle, it seems like I am covering the side that I like the most. But that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. And we're going to be, like I say, use your bone folder. It's just best if you do that. Then do just a little, and you can see I'm not quite perfect there, but I want to make like a little point there because I need to know if you can see on that edge, you can see where you have to put this one. So you're gonna be putting that one to the half, right, that we just pinched. So there you go. So we're gonna just put it right there. Okay, so this is my half, and this is just for you to know where is the half. Oh my goodness, really? There we go. That way you can do the folding, and then you're going to be using that line to fold this section. Use your bone folder, and the same with these. And there we go. So that's pretty much it for the bag, right? The other thing is I'm using Hershey's bars, and this is the mini cookies and creams Hershey's, and I'm going to be wrapping them in this design series paper. And again, I like this side, so I'm going to go ahead and do it with this one. You could do the other side if you want. I just want to show more of the side of the paper that I like the most, but I think both are really nice. So you're just folding it, and there we go. So this one will go right there, and I'm going to be doing the same thing with this one. And again, this is 3 by 3. So out of one 12 by 12, you get 2 of these, because I am using the same paper for the wrapping. But if you don't wrap your candy, you could actually get 4 out of them. So, or you can pick a different design series paper, right? So anyway, and so you have 4 of those. So this one will go here, as you can see. And I'm going to go ahead and use dimensionals. So let me just grab the dimensional. Here they are. I'm like, I know I put them here, so I didn't want to take forever. So let's just glue those right away, because we're going to start decorating our little treat bag. There we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this one, and it's also going to be on dimensionals. So I'm going to be doing it like so. And then I'm going to put the tree. I think having this, and by the way, this is out of the Joyeuse Noel glimmer paper. And if you don't know which one it is, it's this one, the one that has 3 colors, which is fantastic. Still there, it's still available. And I pretty much use each of the colors for this. Now I'm going to take the largest of the stars that I got when I die cut it, and I'm going to go ahead and put a glue dot, and then this one will be glue on top of my 3. So here you go. And then to add a nice touch to this one, I'm going to go ahead and do a bow. Okay. And you're just going to be pulling and pulling until you like it. And I think I like it that way. So let me get my, oh, sorry, I moved the camera. I'm going to go ahead and put it this. I'm going to put it right there using another glue dot. And you can see these are really quick and fast, so you can do multiples of this on no time. I am thinking about doing lots of these for all my teachers, or actually I should say Oliver's teachers, and also his friends and some co-workers. I think that this will be just great, because you can do as many of these. So then I'm going to go ahead and it's just a scratch of paper. I'm going to take the Just For You, which is coming from this set. You can see it here, right? There you go. And I'm going to punch it out with, and this is Whisper White, I'm going to punch it out with the 3/4 of a punch. And I'm going to use a glue dot for these. Oh, let me just put another glue dot. I think I pull it too. There we go. And I'm going to put it right there. And this is it. Don't you like it? I think that it looks fantastic. Now, if you want, you can also put more of these little ones. I just thought that this one looks great the way it is. I didn't want to put anything else, but you can put more of these little stars. I just went a little bit with the one. So here you have it. Really quick and easy. And you can do multiples of these in no time. You just die cut the pieces and assemble real quick. And the great thing is that it doesn't use as much adhesive as you sew. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Please make sure to sign up to my newsletter, or my email I should say, so that you get more tutorials like this on your inbox, as well as information about my classes and any specials from Stampin' Up. And also check out my blog at creatingwithali.com. I'll have more information about this one, and on the description of this video you'll see also more information about the products that I have here, with all the links, so that you can click on them and get them if you want them. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.